Most people say they want change, but the moment it gets uncomfortable, they grab their phone, turn on TV, or distract themselves. Why? Because real change begins with discomfort, and stepping into the unknown doesn't feel safe, even when it's exactly what you need. When you decide to really look at your thoughts, your behavior, your emotions, it's like lighting a match in a dark room. You become aware of them. It's uncomfortable, so most people run. But change requires that you step outside the familiar and into the unknown. That's exactly where transformation happens. Every action starts with a thought, and every thought you think shapes your future. So ask yourself, am I living by a vision of the future or by memories of the past? Most people wake up, think about their problems, and instantly feel an emotion of the past. That becomes their state of being, and when your present is shaped by the past, your future becomes just another copy of it. The body doesn't know the difference between a real experience and one you imagine. If you keep feeling lack, anger, or guilt, you're training your body to live in that emotional state, even when the event is long gone. People stay in pain because it's familiar. They would rather feel something predictable like frustration or sadness than step into something uncertain. That's not weakness, that's wiring. The first step to change, notice what you've been thinking. The moment you observe your thoughts, you're no longer the program, you are the awareness observing it. That is power. Most people wait for success or love or wealth to show up before they feel ready. But what if you practice feeling grateful, abundant, whole right now? Your body would believe the future has already happened, and that's how you attract it. It's a scientific fact. The environment signals your genes. When you create an elevated emotion, you begin to signal your body to shift ahead of circumstances. That's where healing and transformation begins. Personality is how you think, how you act, and how you feel. So if you want to change your personal reality, you have to change your personality, one thought at a time, one choice at a time. Strong emotions from painful events get hardwired into your brain. If not processed, they evolve from a mood to a temperament to a personality trait. So you're not broken, you are memorized, and you can rewire it. Many people are addicted to their emotions. If the person who caused their pain disappears, they'll find someone else because the body is used to the feeling. But you can interrupt that pattern, and instead of practicing frustration every day, practice gratitude, even if it's hard, especially when it's hard, because gratitude tells your body the event has already happened, and that's how you manifest it. When you feel elevated emotions consistently, you begin to reprogram your nervous system towards your desired future. It's not magic, it's biology. Where you place your attention is where you place your energy. When you stop focusing on the person or problem from your past, you break the energetic tie and reclaim your power. So meditation is not about relaxation, it's about overcoming yourself. Each time you resist the urge to quit or get up, you're retraining your body and liberating energy for your future. So Dr. Joe Dispenza has studied over 8,500 brain scans. The data proves when people change their thoughts and energy, their body emits a stronger electromagnetic field. Your energy literally shifts. If you're looking for your future, you're separate from it. But when you feel it as if it's already here, you collapse time. You become the version of yourself who already has what you desire. The research shows you can strengthen your immune system, you can change your gene expression and heal your body by thought and emotions alone. So a nurse blinded by a stroke regained her sight. A woman with life-threatening allergies danced mask-free within 2 days. These are real people, real results, and they began with belief. Once one person does the impossible, others follow. Healing and transformation spread because the belief link is shattered. So, to access the unknown potential inside you, you must move beyond the known version of yourself. That's the work, overcoming what's familiar to become who you were meant to be. Can't get out of bed in the morning? It means your body is addicted to the predictable emotions. When you master your morning, you master your day, and eventually you master your life. So write down 4 thoughts that limit you. Write 4 emotions that sabotage you. Write 4 behaviors you want to change. Then watch for them and override them. You become the master, not the program. So rehearse who you want to be daily. Visualize how you'll show up, how you'll love, how you'll speak. Soon, your brain won't just remember the past, it will become a map to the future. So focus on the heart. breathe, feel love, feel appreciation. This releases oxytocin, literally opening your heart physically and emotionally. That's the space where healing begins. Close your eyes, disconnect from the world, sit with yourself, even when it's hard. This is the path, and it's available to anyone who's willing to show up. So, for example, kids, they don't learn from what you say, they model you. Be the example, help them reflect at night, rehearse better behaviors with them, tell stories that teach emotional wisdom. That's how you raise conscious kids. This is bigger than just you. You're entering the age of connection. We must learn to heal one another, shine for one another, raise the collective vibration of humanity, because a healed, empowered individual is a gift to the world. So this is not motivation, this is transformation. You have the power to rewire your brain, rewrite your story, and become the future you were born to live. And all it takes is the courage to begin. So if this spoke to your heart, share it, like it, subscribe, and let's keep evolving together.